I am sick and I lost my voice, but I think you can still understand me, and I just really want to make this video. So this is something that I've always wanted to do. I've always wanted to take one of my designer shopping bags, literally like paper shopping bag. I wanted to take that and transform it into an actual usable tote. I've been kind of collecting shopping bags for a while now, for a few years. Oh my god, my voice, I'm so sorry. I know this is horrendous. Please don't click out of the video. I had a few options to pick from, but I'm gonna go ahead and go with this Chanel bag that I've had for a while. It's pretty narrow. It doesn't have like that much room inside of it, but I think it'll work nicely, and it's also in really good condition. If you don't have one of these, but you still want to kind of DIY one, you can go online and find somebody reselling a shopping bag for like $10 to $20. There was actually one that I was looking at. It was like a Dior shopping bag. I think I might do that one next because it had like really pretty details on it. So I might do that one next. But to start off with, let's keep it simple. I'm gonna go in with my Chanel one. I do have very mixed feelings on Chanel. Actually, not mixed feelings. I don't think I like Chanel. There's a bit of a problematic past there. I don't know. I need to do a little bit more research there. But for now, let's go in and DIY this Chanel shopping bag. I got my materials on thetotery.com. Originally, I was thinking of how I can do this, and I was gonna go to Michael's and buy like the plastic film and cut it all out myself, and then buy a leather handle myself also, but that just didn't seem practical. And I Googled DIY designer tote online, and this website called The Totery actually popped up, and they do it all for you. I measured my bag, the length, the width, the height, all of that, and then you input it on the website, and then you pick the strap color, the details, and then they send it to you. It took like under 3 weeks to get to me, which is pretty good considering they have to like customize it and cut it out. So let's see. Oh. There's like bolts and stuff in there. Also guilty, I have not brushed my hair at all. I did my makeup, but I didn't brush my hair. It's okay. Ooh, okay. It's all in this package over here. All right, so I'm gonna take everything out on camera and show you guys everything that comes in this pack. It comes with a little QR code that you scan, and it shows you how to assemble your bag. So that's really useful. I'm gonna keep that on the side for now. It comes with all the bolts and this screwdriver to, I guess, screw them in. The handles, I picked the black leather handles. It's nice quality, actually. That's really good quality. Oh, this is the bottom of the bag. And then it comes with the bag itself. Cool. All right, let's do this. Let's go ahead and scan this QR code for the tutorial video. So the first thing it says to do is to remove the paper bag's handle. So this black handle over here. I'm just gonna untie it because I don't want to cut it, because I don't know, what if I don't like it? Okay, it says take out feet and stud washer. I don't know what that is. Take out feet, stud, and washer. All right, it shows a picture of them, so it shouldn't be that hard. I can't seem to figure out what a feet stud is. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and say I wish this came with paper instructions. I think I get it. Okay, I figured it out, let me show you. Basically, yeah, over here. So I separated everything. So these are the washers, the little plastic thingies. These are the screws. You have 4 of each, and then these are the foot studs. They're basically the bottom of the bag. That's gonna keep the bag sitting upright. Then I think there's just like some extras left over in the bag too, just in case, so that's nice. Okay, so let's do this. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why. That's that. Okay, so you insert the screws and the washers and the studs without putting the bag in first, so let's do that. We're gonna go in at the bottom of the bag over here. There's little puncture holes, so we're just gonna pop that guy in there, nice. And then we're gonna take the, whatever the thing is called, and screw it on. Just twist it. There's white stuff on my mouth. It's because I'm drinking yogurt on the side in between takes. Room temperature, of course, it's not cold. Okay, I think that's good. All right, let's just do the other ones. Just in case I didn't already show it, you pop the little plastic thingy, pop the screw in there like that, and then stick it through the punctured hole. It's actually pretty easy. Moving on to the next step, let's see. Okay, so then it says to put your bag inside and to cover it with all of the flaps. Yeah. Let's see. It's a little big, but I think that's fine. So it looks like they put in the sides first. I feel like this might even be worth like taping it down on the inside. Okay. And then it says to fit the bottom insert. I went with the black because the entire interior of the bag itself is black, so. Then it says to take the screwdriver that it came with and to puncture 4 holes in the bag. And there are already like pre-punctured holes throughout the bag indicating where to poke the holes, so let's do that. The one thing that's really annoying me is that the punctured holes are farther away from the existing holes. I'm wondering if I should ignore that. No. Okay, let's puncture the holes.
I might do my best, not the best idea.
Okay, we're gonna need these later. I know that. These go on the outside of the bag. Let's separate everything. Take the washer from the inside and the screw as well from the inside and just poke it through. Let's see. Cool, we did that. So let's go ahead and put the straps on. Okay, that's looking good. It's even covering, yeah, it's covering that hole a bit. So that's awesome. Let's make sure it's like really pushed through and screw that on. This is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna go do the same exact thing on the other side. It's so cute. Yeah, I really like it. You just take these things off the inside flaps. Okay, so we have the straps on. You have to put the buckles on the sides now. Okay, so then we just do the same thing essentially, but on the side. So the buckles come already with the little plastic thing and the screw screwed into it for some reason. I don't know why, but that's cool, that's cool. All right, I'm just gonna unscrew that. Let's puncture this hole.
That's what she said. Excuse me? That's what she said.
Got it. And you take that piece and put it inside. Just like that. And then you take that guy and screw it on. Nice. Okay. I'm gonna go in afterwards with the screwdriver and tighten everything from the inside to make sure that it's secure. I think it's easier when you're puncturing the hole to go in from the inside. Screw it on. I wanna make sure that this guy is straight and not crooked before I tighten it. That looks good. And let's do the insides. Okay, and there you have it. There she is. You can see the bottom. It has the little studs, has the little thingies on the side. So yeah, that's it. That's the bag. I think it's really cute. It actually came out really nice. One thing I will say is that, clip it right there. One thing I will say is that I'm probably gonna go and glue the inside, like that little piece that we laid down in the bottom, just to make sure it doesn't ever pop up. Not that it is, but still. I really like that the strap is long enough to fit under my shoulders, but you're still probably better off carrying it like this or like in your hand. Anyway, that's it. I think this is a really good gift idea for someone. So if your friend's birthday is coming up and you want to get them something nice, this could be a fun idea. It's under $100 also. And it's technically a designer bag. This is a Chanel bag. Also, you don't have to buy the bag on a resale app. I realized you can just go to like a Chanel store or a Dior store, whatever store you want, and buy like a makeup piece or buy something really tiny, buy a lipstick or buy a mascara or something affordable, and you'll get the bag if you want, if you're like in the market for that. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's put some stuff in the bag. Okay. You get the gist of it. Okay, thanks, bye.